Okay, so today's project is going to be a septic wall repair for the inside of a septic tank where the wall is caving away in the middle. So we're going to build this out of stainless steel. It's going to be a 3-inch stainless pipe here, T going through the wall, and these two pieces are going to sandwich the divider wall because there's pipes going over top of it. So we can't just build the whole thing and put it down. So it has to be two pieces like this. So we're going to be doing some stainless welding, plasma cutting, drilling. This is the pipe we're going to use. We're going to weld this onto here. It's going to be our female thread. Going to cut the threads off here and weld this thing onto the T. And the T is going to thread into this guy in position. So you can see right here. And this is the plate we're going to be using. It's a little thinner than I would like because it's terrible to weld. But oh well, it'll work. So yeah, and this is all the hardware we're gonna use here. So yeah, let's get started. So this solution extends the life of the divider wall in the tank, but eventually the tank will still have to be replaced. And right now they offer plastic wall repair kits like this, but the issue is that they're one piece, so you'd have to cut the pipes above it and get them out of the way and then redo them, which is not the end of the world, but this just saves you from doing that. All right, I got everything marked out. So this is where the T is going to go through the wall. It's going to be a piece of pipe on here. And this will get scored and bent down and then welded up again. And this is where all the holes are going to be for the nuts and the bolts. Got those all laid out, and then these slots are where we're going to clamp it together. And this one's going to be oversized because it doesn't matter. It's just got to, as long as the pipe goes through that, then it'll be fine. It doesn't have to be sealed. So yeah, just got to cut the pipes and start welding those up. This vise is nice because it's got this pipe jaw in here. Let's see if it works for 3-inch. I haven't tried that yet. Should be fine. Yeah. So I just realized I marked these on the wrong side. They actually got to be cut from this side out because this is just going to get bent, if you know what I mean. So I got to remark these guys real quick. No big deal. Okay, we got them all welded up. That piece is done. Just finished this one. Turned out pretty nice. So now we are complete until we cut this, slide it through here, weld it on, and then take care of all this. So I used a circle cutter attachment on that first hole. That worked okay, but I think it works better probably on a bigger diameter hole. So for this one, I'm just going to freehand it because it's got to be a tighter fit so I can weld around it. But definitely comes in handy. So here I am just scoring the material so I can bend it easier. I don't have a brake, so this is my only option. But it ended up working out pretty good, just using the table and the zip cut. So. All right, there she is. That's the drawing. That's the finished product. So this is gonna get threaded on down in the pit. And yeah, these are gonna be, it's two separate pieces here. So these will be put together and bolted in. Yeah. And these are adjuster bolts because the wall's kind of broken away, just to level it off. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.